clearance, Lindbergh 4570, ready to copy down.
Lindbergh 4570, Roanoke get clear to Chicago, Harris found. Departure heading 235, maintain 5000, expect 380 and 10. Departure 126.9, squawk 2403.
Clear to O'Harris, file 235 on the heading, 5,000 initial altitude, expect 380, 10 minutes after departure, frequency 126.9, squawk at 2403.
Lindbergh 4570, readback correct.
Roanoke Ground, Lindbergh 4570, just pushed back from gate 2. We're ready to taxi with information Tango.
Lindbergh 4570, runway 24, taxi via Tango Bravo.
24 via Tango Bravo, Lindbergh 4570. Roanoke Tower, Lindbergh 4570, on Bravo 1, holding short 24, ready for departure.
Lindbergh 4570, Roanoke Tower, wind 2606, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
24, clear for takeoff, Lindbergh 4570.
Lindbergh 4570, contact departure, have a good one.
Departure, have a good one.
Departure, Lindbergh 4570 is 3,000, climb 5.
Lindbergh 4570, Roanoke departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
10,000 feet, 4570.
And Lindbergh 4570, did tower give you a right turn?
We were given direct HVQ.
Lindbergh 4570, okay, roger. Then direct Charleston VOR then. Lindbergh 4570, possible pilot deviation, let me know when you, I got a number ready, copy, let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead, ready to copy.
Lindbergh 4570, number is 540563.
Alright, I got 540563.
Lindbergh 4570, watch center, 1344, good day.
1344, good day.